Today I'm gonna expose 7 secret side hustles that no one talks about so you can make thousands of dollars from home. Anyone can do these side hustles as long as they have an internet connection, and the first one I'm gonna show y'all how to do is a hustle I learned about yesterday that makes some people over $1 million per month. Now, will you make that? Probably not, but it is possible for you to make a few grand every month doing it, especially if you're a person who loves to play video games. I learned of this side hustle yesterday while scrolling on TikTok when this kid named Clicks popped up. If you've never heard of him, he's a teenage millionaire who's amassed over $10 million in the last 6 years from live streaming Fortnite. And no, the side hustle is not playing Fortnite, but it does have to do with the game. This money-making method has been kept secret by streamers so they could hoard the money to themselves, but I'm gonna expose it right now by playing the Clicks video. It's building creative Fortnite maps.
How much money do you make off the maps, bro? I'm just curious, bro.
Okay, all right, straight up, if you have 1,000 players average on a map 24/7, it's like 30 to 40K a month. And right now, I'm averaging 5,000 active.
Did y'all hear that? For every 1,000 active players, you'll make 30 to 40K per month. And since Clicks has 5,000 active players, that means he makes $150,000 to $200,000 every single month from his Fortnite creative map. And what's even crazier than that is the map you create doesn't have to change. You can create one map right now, and if people keep playing it for years to come, like the Zone Wars, you'll be paid thousands of dollars every month. Fortnite games themselves literally posted this chart showing the top 5 map creators are making over $10 million per year, and 43 other people are making millions of dollars per year. That's insane because you don't even need to have experience playing Fortnite to do this. You can just hire someone to create the map for you for a low price on a freelancing site. It only costs $20 to $200 on Fiverr for someone to build you a great map, and if that map gets a few hundred players, you'll make your money back and then thousands of dollars on top of it. Now, I've never tried this, so I'm sure it's harder than Clicks made it seem, but I'm certain if you keep building great maps, eventually one of them will pop off. And if y'all want to see me try to make some money with Fortnite maps for a challenge video, get this video to 10,000 likes and me the 250K subscribers. I think it would be a great challenge video, and if it works, y'all can just replicate exactly what I did. Next up is one of the easiest and laziest ways to earn money from home. It's getting paid to join Zoom meetings. All you have to do is sit through a Zoom presentation about some random topic like why Taylor Swift is a government psyop. Then you'd give feedback to the presenter for a few minutes with your group, and once it's over, you'll get paid. The average payment for sitting through a 30 to 60 minute Zoom meeting is $5 to $30. So if you get paid the lower end at $5, you're getting money for doing little work, and if you're lucky enough to get paid $30, you'll technically be making more than the average American does in an hour by simply staring at your screen. To find these opportunities, you're gonna wanna look up get paid to join Zoom classes on Google, Reddit, and all the other social media platforms. There are a decent amount of pay to watch Zoom classes out there, but unfortunately you won't be able to join enough of them to do this as a full-time career. So just use these classes as a nice chill way to make some extra money on the side. And speaking of chill ways to make money online, Side Hustle 3 is basically a free money glitch for anyone over 18. It's claiming investing app rewards. How it works is investing apps like Webull want new members, so they pay people to sign up for their platform. All you have to do is sign up for Webull with the special affiliate link in my description, deposit 1 cent or more, then you can claim your free money. Right now, Webull is giving everyone who does that a guaranteed $18 in free stocks with the chance to get up to $18,000. And another app called Moo is giving everyone who reaches their deposit limits a guaranteed $30,000 to $30,000. So don't miss out on this amazing opportunity and sign up for both of those in my description before it's too late. The next side hustle is going to completely blow your mind because it blew mine. I want you to think about the last time you went on Amazon to purchase something. You probably scrolled through multiple options of that product, and once you were pretty certain on which one to buy, you read the customer reviews and watched the video reviews. Well, guess what? Those people who are in the video reviews get paid when you watch them. How it works is if someone watches a video review of a product for more than 30 seconds, the person in the video gets a percentage of the sale when you purchase it. But wait, it gets better. It's not just a percentage of that sale, it's a percentage of their entire entire purchase. So say you buy some power tool that you watched a review on that costs $100, but you also bought a $2,000 MacBook. That means the person in the review video gets a percentage of the MacBook sale as well, which is massive. All video sales get a flat rate of 2% of the purchase, but for all of the other items in their cart, you get these percentages. Luxury beauty is 10%, furniture is 8%, etc., 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 and the MacBook is considered a PC, so that means you get 2.5% of the $2,000, aka $50 plus the $2 from the power tool. So that's an easy $52 that's basically passive income, because once you create the video, you do nothing. It's simply on Amazon, and when people watch it, then purchase it, you get paid. And I know some people are gonna be like,
but Logan, I have literally no money. I can't get the product to review it.
yes, you can. Buy the product, make the review video, return the product, and get paid for eternity for creating a video in a few minutes. It's not rocket science, and for the people who complain about only getting $2 per sale, think about it this way. You spend a few hours max to buy the product and create the review, then once you return it, you have lost no money. So all you are sacrificing is, say, 2 hours of work, which is worth like $40 to most people. It would only take 21 people to watch your video and buy the drill for you to be profitable. Plus, that doesn't include the other purchases they make, or if you pick a super popular product that sells thousands of times per day. Next up is a great way to earn some extra income from items that are laying around your house. If you have things of value that people love to use for their craft, like a guitar, a snowboard, power tools, a mountain bike, cameras, etc., you can earn loads of money by renting those out. I mean, think about it. If someone needs to ride a bike for a one-day triathlon, it would make a lot more sense to rent it from you for, say, $300 a day instead of buying a brand new bike for $2,000. Same for people who need to play a guitar at a church event, or Kyle who's going on a snowboard trip for the first time in 5 years. There's tons of people out there who need items for certain events, but they don't want to buy them because they only need to use them once. Hence, if you consistently rent out items you have laying around your home, you can make way more money than what that item cost and sell the item on Facebook Marketplace for even more profit. I've heard of loads of photographers who do this that make an extra few $1,000s per month by renting their extra or old camera gear. So if you have items that people would love to rent, start renting them today. It's pretty easy to do this if you live in a city, but if you're not in a city, don't worry. You can try the next side hustle, which can make you hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's drop shipping. Drop shipping is a form of e-commerce where you sell other people's products on your own branded website for a higher price. For example, you can get this sticker printer for $12 on AliExpress, so you'd create your own store selling it for 4 times the price, which is around $50. Then market it with organic and paid social media ads like these. Then when someone buys it, you get the $50, use 12 of those dollars to buy the product on AliExpress. Then AliExpress will ship the printer straight to the customer while you profit $38 for every printer sold. It's by far one of the best businesses there is, because even if you fail, the knowledge you will learn by creating your first few stores will definitely change your life. You'll learn marketing, sales, ad creation, fulfillment, and pretty much every other skill needed to succeed in business. And lucky for y'all, I created an AI that will build you a drop shipping store with winning products for free. All you have to do is click the first link in my description, press build your free store, then after answering a few questions, you'll have a professional drop shipping store that can make you tens of thousands of dollars per month. This offer won't last forever though, so make sure to build your free store right now by clicking the first link in my description. And after you build your store, you can watch this in-depth drop shipping tutorial video, which will teach you how to make the most money possible with your new drop shipping brand. Just click right here to watch it, and God bless.